Hello friends, welcome to Crusader Academy's online classes. This is Rupesh Jadhav. Today's our topic is Iran drops India from Chabahar port. Okay, Chabahar railway project. As you might be knowing that Chabahar is the port in Iran and which was been constructed by India. Some MOU was signed in 2016, but still what happened that Iran drops India from this project, and moreover the development comes as China finalizes massive 25 years and $400 billion strategic partnership deal with Iran. Okay, so suddenly the China come into the picture and India was sidelined. So 4 years after India Iran signed an agreement. It means the agreement was signed in 2016. Now after that the agreement to construct a rail line from Chabahar port to Zahedan along the border with Afghanistan. Okay, so along the border with Afghanistan that has been constructed, that was scheduled to construct, decided to proceed with the construction on its own, citing delays from the Indian side. The reason given was delays from Indian side in funding and starting the project. So this was the reason given by Afghanistan to sideline India from this Chabahar rail project and introducing the China in this project. And again, last week, the Iranian Transport and Urban Development Minister Islami Mohammad Islami inaugurated the track laying. This happened last week. Okay, process for 628-kilometer Chabahar Zahedan line, which will be extended to Zehran across the border in Afghanistan. Okay, so you can see here it is Zahedan, and this is what Chabahar port. Okay, Chabahar port. So here it is going to extend from this point till Zahedan, which is near about 628-kilometer. Okay, and which will further extend it to Zahrans across the border of Afghanistan. So it will be further extended to Zahrans. Here somewhere is Zahrans. Okay, the entire project will be completed by March 2022. Now it has been signed in 2016 with India, and from 2020 no action has been taken. But China is going to complete the same project in 2 years. Okay, and that Iranian railways will proceed without India's assistance using approximately $400 million from the Iranian National Development Fund. So Iran has decided to go on its own. The development comes as China finalizes this massive 25 years, okay, 25-year $400 billion strategic partnership deal. So again, which clouds India's plan. So this is what the development going on. The trilateral agreement between, earlier there was a trilateral agreement between India, Iran and Afghanistan. These three parties, India, Iran, Afghanistan, this trilateral agreement was done between these, and which was hold first trilateral on Chabahar port project. So the rail project which was being discussed between Iranian Railways and state-owned IRCON, that is Indian Railway Construction Limited. What is IRCON? It is Indian Railways Construction Limited was meant to be part of India's commitment to trilateral between India, Iran and Afghanistan to build an alternate trade route. It was to build an alternate trade route to Afghanistan and Central Asia. In May 2016, as I told you, 4 years back, it was signed. During Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Tehran to sign the Chabahar Agreement with Iranian President Rouhani and Afghanistan President Ghani. Okay, so it was signed between Mr. Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, then Iranian President Rouhani and Afghanistan President Ghani. So Irkan had signed an MOU with Iranian Rail Ministry regarding this Chabahar project. Now, why this project doesn't go further? Actually, the Ircon engineers and visited the site several times, and preparation by Iranian Railway, India never began the work due to the worries. India was worrying about the sanctions which put by US on Iran. So the US has provided a sanction waiver for the Chabahar project, okay, and the rail line to Zahedan, but it has been difficult to find equipments. It has difficult to find equipment, suppliers and partners due to the worries they could be targeted by US. India had already zeroed out its oil import, as US said, okay, oil imports from Iran due to US sanction. US also had told India last year to zero the oil import from Iran. Okay, so India was worrying about after the project had been started, because the project is of $400 billion, and if it is going to start, so due to the sanction posed by US on Iran, that will make loss to India's benefit, or India's what we say intention. Okay, what was the purpose of India? That will definitely harm the purpose of India and investment in Chabahar. Now the strategic partnership of 25 years between this Iran and China. Okay, there's another strategic partnership for next 25 years is going are close to finalizing a 25-year partnership, Iran and China, which will include Chinese involvement in Chabahar's duty free zone number one, then an oil refinery which is nearby, number two, and possibly a larger role in Chabahar port also. Okay, so according to the leaked version of 18 page, the name is Comprehensive Plan for Cooperation between Iran and China is being finalized by official in Tehran and Beijing. The cooperation will extend from the investment in number one, infrastructure, manufacturing and upgrading energy and transportation facilities. So those are getting upgraded. So this was the first about the investment. Then to refurbishing the ports, the port which is there, it is to be refurbished. Then to refurbish the ports, refineries and other installation which is already there. And C, it will commit Iranian oil and gas supplies to China during that period, so that there is mutual benefit. Okay, Iran's oil and gas will have a customer, regular buyer, and on the other hand, China is going to develop the Iran's infrastructure, okay, in a phase manner. So that what India was up to going to do, but India had not taken any action. So now the place of India is taken by China. Also, Iranian officials denied a report that also suggested Chabahar port, where India took, will be leased to China. It is there, something is there that it will be leased. If India is going to uh, develop that Chabahar port, then there was some heard news were there, some reports that after it has been developed by India, it will be leased to China. However, Iran proposed a tie-up between Chinese run Pakistan Gwadar port. So here it is Gwadar port in Pakistan. Okay, and Chabahar last year. Chabahar is here. Okay, so Chabahar is here at this point and has offered interest to China the Bandar e Jask port, that is here. Bandar e Jask. Bandar e Jask port. Okay, 350 km away from Chabahar. Here at the distance is 350 km from Chabahar, as well as in the Chabahar duty free zone, which is also in Chabahar free duty zone. Each of those possibilities should be watched closely by New Delhi, said former ambassador to Iran, Mr. K.C. Singh. Okay, on impinges on India's strategic ties with Iran and the use of Chabahar port. Jask lies to the west of Chabahar. Yes, this one, Jask. Okay, Bandar e Jask lies west of the Chabahar and right before Strait of Hormuz. Yes, Strait of Hormuz. So, China would thus extend its control along the Pakistan-Iranian coast. Here it is being developed by China in Pakistan. Then this also China's presence is there, and here also there will be Chinese presence. Okay, if this happen. So this was all about the how India has been taken out of this deal from that Chabahar rail port. Okay, that deal, rail line and the Chabahar port deal, and China has taken place of India now. This is a very much shocking news for India. So hope I have given you all the bits from the point of view that been asked in exams. So my intention is that you should able to describe whatever given if the question comes in the main about this, and also you should be able to deal with the questions which comes in the prelims regarding these topics. Hope you like this video. So if you like my video, please give like. Okay, put comments in your comment box. Okay, your comments will definitely help me to improve the video, and also share this video to your friends, relatives, and those who are preparing for various competitive exams. And please subscribe my channel Crusader D Guardian. Thank you very much.